In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Tango account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Google account or your phone number in order to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the Explore tab, from which you can explore various different profiles. Now, if you wish to delete your account permanently, then tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and now from the My Account page, tap on Account. This will now take you into your account page, from which you will see the Delete Account option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account and whether you want to enable Secure Mode. If you tap on Enable Secure Mode, this will delete your account only temporarily, and you will be able to log back in and reactivate your account at any time you wish by using your passcode. If you wish to delete your account permanently, tap on the red Delete Account button, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone number. After entering the verification code and proceeding forward, you will be logged out from your account on Tango, and your account will also be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to permanently delete your account on Tango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.